Thanks, Sonal. Thanks for the introduction. Good morning again. Hat and Company is basically a multi-dimensions company engaged in marketing and manufacturing, financial solutions, and soft skill development. Today we are discussing on furniture manufacturing, especially office furniture manufacturing and trading. Hat and Company furniture division started 4 years back, and in such a short span of time, Hat and Company earned the faith of some global leaders like Air Product, Ensono, Nice, Ultimatex, and IKEA. Today, I will share my journey with two prestigious clients, Ultimax and IKEA. Please change the slide. Thank you. Ultimax US based company. Basically, it's an Indian multinational company having head office in US. Is designated as a great place to work certified company. Please change the slide. And in Pune, we have made their office. See the office what we made here in Yerwada. And this project we completed last month only. Complete turnkey project is done by the Hatton Company with 437 sitting arrangements. Apart from the, please change the slide. Our second is a IKEA. You can say here IKEA is basically a global leader of furniture manufacturing and retail. They are having one store and five dispatches center, including Pune warehouse, which is made by the Hatton Company in India. I feel myself lucky to grab this order among 70 furniture manufacturers. Since it was a turnkey project, so there was few things which basically which we were not doing, and we were not doing like carpentry work. Here I would like to add one thing. You can see a beautiful face of Jyoti madam on the screen. As a member of BNI group, without any hesitation, I requested Jyoti madam to help in the carpentry work, and which she did as per the expectations. And the result is, you can see the pantry counter, which is made by the Jyoti madam. It is a 4 dimensions pantry counter. Please change the slide. And this is the office which we made for the IKEA. Please change this thing. Now, Hat, what basically we are doing? Hat Furniture is a specialist workplace integrated that plan, create, and supply integrated furniture technology and service solution. Please change the slide. What exactly we do? We are manufacturing the furnitures as per requirement of the customer. Also, we are doing the space planning, workplace designing, installation, and relocating the offices. Please change the slide. We do the complete solutions. So you imagine anything which is required for the office, we are doing here. We make the table, we make the workstation, storage, chair, conference table, everything we make here. Please change. Apart from this, we manufacture residential furniture also, which I am not going to discuss here. Just giving a glimpse of that. Change the yes. In storage, we have a expertise in the storage, which I'll share in the next slide. Please change the slide. Sorry. This is the workstations. Workstation, basically hardly in Pune 4 or 5 people are making the workstations, but we have our expertise here because along with the we are giving the two options in the workstation. One with the bottom is a wooden, and second is a metal bottom. Here you can see the metal structure is below the tabletop, and the partition also we have a unique thing which no one having in the Pune. Normally people having 50 or 70 thick partition, and for a small office it appears very thick. So we have an additional option of a 35 partition, like this you can see here in the picture. Please change the slide. Apart from that, a unique feature which we have is a height adjustable workstations. Normally people are working for 8 to 10 hours, and it's very tough to work in a single position. For that we have additional features here that you can adjust the height of the table. Please change the slide. Apart from that, these are the few pictures of the workstation or sitting arrangement. Please change. Yes, storage is one of the things which is a big challenge these days, because we are running short of those spaces. So we have the regular storage which you can see here for the office. Please change the thing. Apart from that, we have a compactors. Compactors is a because today the government has made a mandatory that the people has to keep the tax invoice for the 10 years. So keeping the old documents is a tough and challenging. Apart from that, it's required a space. Here we have a compactors. Compactors is basically a thing, if a storage system, if you have a less space but you want to keep documents safe and more utilize the space, compactors are the options. For that I can discuss in detail personally. Please change this thing. Apart from that, we are making the sofas, all type of sofa. Please change. Chairs. Chair is also one of the important thing, because normally people are having this backache problem and other issues. So we have some chairs regular. Apart from that, we have medically proven chairs also, like lumbar support or additional leg supports, which as per the requirement of customers, we provide that also. And we have our own manufacturing setup for all these products. Please change this one. And now this is my gift. I can connect to Ultimatrix admin Sudhir Satpute. ASP Environment MD of that is Ankush Kamble. Desi Farms Dairy Farm Online Selling Company is MD Mr. Pratik Gupta. And Air Product MNC Company, it's a German based company. I can connect to the admin head Prajakta Joshi. And I want to get connected with the architects, commercial architects, PMCs, project management companies, and your friend or relative who is expanding or relocating their office. Please say. Thank you. This is Amit Tiwari. You can ask any question to me.